Join me as I dive deep into the world of investing to see if Nova stock is about to take off or it's just a bust. Nova stock has been making waves in the current market landscape, and it's time to take a closer look at what's driving its performance. With its unique position in the industry, many investors are wondering if Nova is set to soar or if it's just a flash in the pan. In this video, we'll explore the challenges the company faces, the factors influencing its stock price, and what the experts are saying about its future. Nova stock has faced its fair share of challenges in recent months, and it's hard to ignore the impact of market volatility on its performance. The company struggled to maintain a steady pace, and its stock price has suffered as a result. On top of that, Nova's been facing stiff competition from its rivals, who've been investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. Just last quarter, Nova's financial report showed a dip in profits, which has left many investors feeling uncertain about its future prospects. To make matters worse, the company's been plagued by concerns over its supply chain, which has led to production delays and increased costs. The recent downturn in Nova's stock price has also been linked to a broader trend in the industry, which has seen investors moving away from riskier assets in favor of more stable ones. This shift in sentiment has put pressure on Nova's stock, making it even harder for the company to regain its footing. Furthermore, Nova's high valuation has made it a target for short sellers, who've been driving down the stock price in recent weeks. All these factors combined have made it a tough road ahead for Nova, and it's clear that the company needs to make some serious changes if it wants to turn things around. Despite all these challenges, Nova's still got a lot going for it, and there are many who believe the company's fundamentally strong. Its diversified product line and global reach have helped it weather the storms of the past, and its commitment to innovation has kept it ahead of the curve. Nova's also been investing heavily in digital transformation, which could pay off big time in the long run. When we look at the factors influencing Nova's stock price, it's clear that industry trends are playing a huge role. The company's positioned itself in a high-growth market, and as long as it can execute on its strategy, there's plenty of room for expansion. Company news has also been driving the stock price, with every earnings report and product launch being closely watched by investors. Expert opinions are divided, with some seeing Nova as a great value play and others warning of a potential bubble. One thing's for sure, Nova's got a lot of work to do if it wants to regain investor confidence. The company needs to address its supply chain issues and get its financials back on track if it wants to see its stock price soar. But if it can pull it off, the potential rewards are enormous. Nova's got the talent and the resources to turn things around, and if it can execute on its strategy, the sky's the limit. So what does the future hold for Nova stock? Will it soar to new heights or continue to struggle? That's the million-dollar question, and it's one that only time will answer. But one thing's for sure, Nova's a company to watch, and its performance will be closely tracked by investors around the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Nova stock in the comments below. Want to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to stock market trends? Be sure to check out our video on the top investing opportunities of the year.